at the end of April, you can say 13th of April. And in Sweden, we celebrate in a way that the winter is over and that the summer will come. So people used to collect sort of different rubbish from the garden or anywhere and pile it up, all things they want to burn. And then in the evening, when sun starts to go down and it starts to get a bit dark, then they start to light a big fire, and often they sing some special songs together with that, and so that we call that fest Valborg in Sweden, because it is the day of some sort of saint or something that was